Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to add the date and time watermark to the pictures in this device. Open the camera. First of all, we need to enable the watermark. For this, go to the camera settings. So here you can see the option watermark. First of all, we need to enable this one, turn on this option. Tap on watermark. So here we can customize. So if you want to view only the date and time, then you need to select the date and time. Okay, and here also we can customize the date, the format of date. You can see like this. So here I select this one, and also you can customize the time settings also. Okay, so and you can align, you can customize the alignment also. You can adjust. Okay, so let me show you how it works. Now I am going to take a picture. Yeah, now open the picture. Now at the bottom you can see that watermark only the date and time. So simply in this way we can add the date and time watermark to the pictures in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.